Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. Thank you so much for being watching me in this video. So today's video is about a new trick that how can you earn online via Google. So please, if you didn't subscribe or still didn't join our YouTube channel family, please hit that subscribe button and like this video, share with your friends and with your family members and everyone who is interested about this topic. I really invite to uh, subscribe and join our family channel. So let's start. Firstly, uh, I am going to mention that there is uh, this way and many ways as well from where you can earn money online, and this thing is used by so many people. So I just going to share it with all of you here. This website. Firstly, if you are using Google, and everyone is using Google obviously, so the website name is MindSumo. It is a great website which is how to say, which is shared with Google, and they work both together to give you a good result for your passive income or your extra cash learning online. So this website is a great one because they are uh, having a lot of companies and brand name which are very famous in all over the world, like for example Dell, Disney, and also Yahoo, Mars, of course our Mercedes, okay, and so many others, Delta, Nestle, Spotify, Johnson, and so many other brands. So here there are so many things to have look on. Here we have the active, all, quick solve, upcoming. Yeah, so here we go on business. As you can see, there are a lot of earning, a lot of money earned by this website. As you can see here, done 3 months ago, 2 months ago, and so many other. For example, let's see the first one. 7 days left for it, and the payment is about $1,600. It's quite interesting to join this task only because you're going to give the answer using Google, as I already mentioned before. How can a bank help millennial and Gen Z customers plan to start a family? Like this. You just read this notice, and as you can see, 21 submissions has been done in this platform about this question. Top 10% will share $1,000. Next 15 will share $400. $100, and next 25% will share $200. Okay, so I think it's a great one. For example, let's have search, or you just copy the question, go to Google and paste. It's gonna give the same result. For example, there are uh so many answers for this question. Let's have a look on this one, and this one. I'm just showing an example that you can follow. So yeah, so as a solution and how you can find a great answer to be ranked from the topest ones, top 10, you can just copy and mix the answers together to give an accurate answer, and then you can post over here by clicking I have an idea. You can sign in by your email address and your personal informations. Click on the have account yet. So you are required to fill in all the data over here. This is about the registration form with MindSumo to solve innovation challenges and earn cash. Your name, last name, location, address, password, birthday, marketing, technical skills, and so many others. User verification, and you can sign up. Okay, so here, like this, you just copy, for example, from here. You can read and have some ideas about the answer. You can click copy, and also here, sorry, here as an example, you can just copy and pass on a word pad, or you can also use our word sorry, Google Word. Example, yeah, so Google Docs. Okay, you can use Google Docs to create, just you can follow, like you can create online WordPad, or just use the document which we already have on our device to make